Hello, internets! Today we're going to do another unboxing of Masters of the Universe action vinyl figure from Loyal Subjects. And these are the different guys we can get in the box. Let's open it up and see what's inside, shall we? Oh, quite the glue on this one again. Man, the Loyal Subjects really like their glue. It's hard to open the box without damaging it. There we go. Now, let's see what's in here. It's another foil bag in an empty box. Alright, ooh, this came with two things. Oh, we got... I think there's going to be a He-Man in here. I'm not sure, but it's a pretty good sign, eh? Weird that these aren't in the blind bag. I'm guessing because there's multiple versions of He-Man. They wanted to save money by making the accessories the same for the different versions. I don't know. But we'll find out in a moment. Let's open her up, shall we? Like the foil bag. Styling as usual. Rip her open. See what we got. We got He-Man! Just vanilla He-Man. Prince Adam of Eternia was chosen to protect his ancestors' power sword from evil. Adam uses it to channel the power of Castle Grayskull and become He-Man, the most powerful man in the universe. He guards the safety of all Eternia alongside the heroic Masters of the Universe. He-Man. This looks like he's got all the posable joints and digits. He's got his ankle turn, his leg, his waist, his hand at the wrist, his arm here at the shoulder, and of course the head. Oh, comes right off. But the head moves, yes. Side to side, and around and around. Yes. And he's even got a little holster here for his sword on his back. Let's open up the accessories and sword goes on. There's the sword. We can go that way. Wait a second. Nowhere for the shield though. Well, let's put the sword and shield in his hands and see how he looks. Oh, that's a tricky one. So it's a bit of a challenge to get his shield. There we go. A clip. Clip. Shield and sword. By the power of Grayskull, I have the power! See how well he stands. It's kind of bulky. Alright, there we go. I'm pretty happy with him. He's cool. The only one I would have liked more is Skeletor. Really. Skeletor would have been awesome. And yeah, the rare fake He-Man would be cool. And of course, Evil Lyn. But yeah, I'm happy I got He-Man. So what do you think of the Loyal Subjects He-Man action vinyl figures? Let me know in the comments down below. See you next time, internets. Bye-bye.